Did you know people reveal the truth about themselves without saying a word? Stop guessing whether they're lying or telling the truth. Today, I'm going to share 5 psychological hacks that are basically like having social X-ray vision. And the last one is so powerful, people will be shocked when they realize you can almost read their minds. First, let's start with what most people completely miss. Chapter 1. What people say versus what their body shows. Most people believe words. Psychology believes behavior. Someone says, "I'm fine," but their shoulders sink, their voice softens, their eyes avoid contact. That's called emotional leakage. What they feel slips out. Instead of focusing on one gesture, look at clusters. Leaning in, nodding, mirroring you. Real interest. Leaning back, short replies, checking the phone. They're mentally gone already. And smiles? A real smile reaches the eyes. A fake one looks like, "Please end this conversation." Here's the funny part. Your brain notices this faster than you do. That weird gut feeling isn't magic. It's pattern recognition built from years of experience. Okay, now let's talk about confidence and why the loudest people aren't always the strongest. Chapter 2. Confidence, insecurity, and the loud ones. True confidence is quiet. Confident people pause, think, and choose their words calmly. Overconfidence? That's usually insecurity wearing sunglasses, bragging nonstop, interrupting constantly, turning every conversation into me, me, me. Psychology calls it overcompensation, and the body reveals it too. Rigid posture, forced laughter, exaggerated stories. Meanwhile, someone genuinely confident doesn't need attention. They don't try to look powerful. They just are. Here's a weird but accurate trick. Watch the feet. Feet pointed towards you. They want to stay feet pointed toward the exit. Their brain is already outside subtle, but brutally honest. Now let's go deeper, because this next part reveals people's real intentions. Chapter 3. Silence, patterns, and real intentions. Silence doesn't always mean "I don't care." Often, silence means processing. Some people think deeply before speaking, and they handle conflict better. But the biggest psychological rule is this: don't judge people by what they promise. Judge them by what they repeatedly do. If someone only calls when they need something, you're not a friend, you're tech support. If someone says, "You matter," but never shows up, believe the behavior, not the quote. And sometimes, we are mysterious too. We hide emotions. We avoid tough conversations. We expect others to read our minds. Learning to read people also teaches us to read ourselves, and that's where real growth begins. So, what does all this really mean for you? Conclusion. The real superpower. Reading people isn't mind games, it's awareness. Humans speak 3 languages at once. 1. What they say. 2. What they do. 3. What they try to hide. And the truth usually lives in number 3. When you understand this, you choose better people, protect your peace. Respond wisely instead of reacting emotionally. So next time someone talks, listen with your ears, observe with your eyes, and trust the quiet signals. Understanding others isn't magic, it's psychology. And guess what? You're already getting good at it. If you want more insights like this, stay tuned. We've got a lot more to explore about the human mind.